Hello and welcome to week 5. Almost going into our second half of our semester now. And for this week, we'll be working on the classification essay. So your assignments are the first draft of that, the classification. You want to send a copy to me no later than Saturday, and then also post a copy in the discussion for it, which is also Saturday. But as usual, the discussion will start earlier if people want to post their papers earlier to get feedback. Because one thing I want you to watch out for as you're doing feedback, and I put it in the directions, is to find their thesis statement and make a copy of it in your response to them. Because as you read about classifications, you still need some kind of thesis to write your essay. And that's what makes the difference between an essay and just a story. So work on that. Also, you're going to send your first draft to NetTutor. And I put instructions in the class for you to do that. The only thing you have to be careful about if you're a student who has to buy NetTutor, be sure that you go to the website for Bryan and Stratton. It's not their regular website, just nettutor.com. It's NetTutor with WCTC BSM, something like that. You'll see it in directions, which I posted. You'll notice on the main screen of our class, it now says Launchpad/NetTutor. So there, if you go there, you have a couple of documents. One for those who already have their code, one for those that don't have a code and have to purchase. The reason you want to get the one from WCTC, it only is going to charge you $15. If you go to the regular NetTutor, I think it's $25 to $30 that you pay for 4 hours. Here you get 4 hours for $15 if you're a WCTC student. So be sure you go to that place. The other assignment is to respond in the discussion. Give me your first draft. And that's about it so far. I'm still making up grading as I go along, should be done. But I think most people can see where they're at in the grades, even though I haven't finished them all. I finished week 1 and week 2, so I've got a couple weeks to catch up with, but I think you'll see where you're at by then. So if you have any questions, be sure to send me a text or email or go ask a professor. And I think this week I might be available to come on campus if you need help with the NetTutor, because at first it's kind of tricky, but you might be able, I'm sure you'll be able to handle it without any help, but just in case. So that's it for now. Don't want to go too long, and I will talk to you later.